Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to post text, photo, or video on Reddit. It's really quick and simple, and the process is really straightforward. So let's jump right in. First, let's open our Reddit app. Here, on the bottom menu, you will see Create at the very center. Tap on that, and then you have to know on which community your post will be valid and would make sense. So, first, select a community. Let's make a Pokemon based post today. So, let's choose Pokemon memes. And then on the bottom menu, you will see various options. Since this community doesn't accept any text based post, let's post a photo here. Let's select this, add, next, and you have to add a title to it. And then add a flare to the post since it's required. Flares basically give people a context about what kind of post this is. Like if it's an OC art, if it's about the game, if it's about the anime, if you want to discuss something, any theories, etc. Since it's a meme, let's select, there's no option for memes, so custom flare, apply, and then post. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.